Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new profile on your Netflix account or how to add more users to your Netflix account. So let's get started. We go to our Netflix account, we open our account, and after opening your account, you just need to click on your profile icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is add profile icon on the top right of the screen. Just click on it. And as you can see here, you can choose your profile name, the new profile name. For example, I will call it Ahmed2. You can also choose if this profile is kids profile or adult profile as you want. For example, if you activate this like that, it will be kids profile. And of course, if you want to change the icon, click on the pen and you can find here a lot of avatars that you can put on your profile as you want. For example, I will choose, I don't know, maybe I will choose this one, for example. As you can see, I changed the avatar. And after that, you just need to click on save. And as you can see, we added the new profile. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.